If you're thinking about buying EasyDMARC, there are a few things you definitely need to know before committing. This software promises to streamline your email security, but is it the right fit for your business? In this video, I'll walk you through 7 key things to consider before purchasing EasyDMARC, comparing it to competitors, and giving you a clear view of whether it's worth your investment. Stick around until the end because I've got a special deal to share that you won't want to miss. First up, EasyDMARC is a robust email security tool that specializes in implementing DMARC, DKIM, and SPF policies. These are essential if you want to ensure your emails aren't being spoofed, which can otherwise lead to your domain being blacklisted or even contribute to phishing attacks. Now, EasyDMARC stands out in the crowded email security space because it's incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners. Unlike some of its competitors like Agari or Proofpoint, which can feel overwhelming due to their enterprise-level complexity, EasyDMARC provides a more straightforward, accessible dashboard that anyone can navigate. Next thing to keep in mind, it's focused on delivering insights into your email authentication status in real time. The software gives you detailed reports about how your emails are being authenticated across the web. But what's really impressive is its actionability. Many competitors like Memcached offer similar insights, but don't always make it easy for users to adjust and take control from within the same interface. With EasyDMARC, it's not just about knowing if your emails are passing or failing, but also about getting clear, actionable steps you can follow to improve your email security. The third thing is its ability to handle large-scale domains. Whether you're managing a small business or an enterprise with dozens of domains, EasyDMARC can handle it. If you've ever used software like Valimel or other DMARC solutions, you'll know that managing multiple domains can get cumbersome. But EasyDMARC simplifies this process by offering bulk management features that make handling a large number of domains seamless. Next thing, support. One area where EasyDMARC shines is its customer support. Unlike some other providers where you might have to wait for hours or days to get a response, EasyDMARC provides real-time support with an extensive knowledge base and live chat. If you've ever had to deal with slow support from companies like Google's Workspace or Microsoft, you'll appreciate how quickly you can get help with EasyDMARC, which can be a huge relief when dealing with time-sensitive email issues. The fifth thing is its pricing. EasyDMARC isn't the cheapest on the market, but it offers a lot of value for the cost. When compared to competitors like Dimarshan or Agari, it provides an equally comprehensive set of features at a more affordable price point for businesses that need strong email security without breaking the bank. Plus, it comes with a free trial, which means you can give it a test run before committing. Next up is its integration capabilities. EasyDMARC integrates smoothly with most major email providers, including G Suite, Office 365, and others, making it easy to deploy across your business's existing email systems. While other tools may require more technical setup or even additional software to fully integrate, EasyDMARC's plug-and-play nature makes it an attractive option for businesses looking for a quick and efficient setup. The seventh thing to consider is its reporting and analytics. EasyDMARC provides clear, detailed reports on your domain's email authentication, which can be easily shared with your team. Its analytics are top-notch, providing real-time insights into your email performance. Competitors like Agari or Memcached offer similar reporting, but often require more complex configurations to get the level of visibility EasyDMARC provides right out of the box. So there you have it. EasyDMARC offers a user-friendly interface, detailed real-time reports, seamless integration, and solid customer support, making it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. If you want to test it out for yourself and see if it's right for your business, be sure to click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and access some exclusive benefits.